like aegeus is an Indian company which we provide a solution for robotic cleaning solutions for solar panels. Okay, so this is basically a completely dry cleaning system. What we have got a solution for both the rooftop and ground mount solution. As you can see, this is an unicorn, a semi-automated version which is used to clean the ground mount technology. Okay, so basically it is one of the lightest and the fastest cleaning system what we have and we claim in the world. Okay, so it cleans around 1,800 to 2,000 panels in one single hour. Okay, it travels at a speed of 1 kilometer per hour. As you can see, we are making use of these microfiber cloths which won't have any abrasions on the panels. Okay? And it has got a beautiful property that when it is rotating, it creates an like a electrostatic field, and it picks up the like small dust particles.